Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining me. So today's video, we have the DrySpec luggage options that we offer here at Rocky Mountain. And if there's a few select words that I could use to describe DrySpec luggage, it'd be clean, simple, rugged, and waterproof. So if you are shopping for luggage for your next bike, definitely worth checking out. So today I'm just gonna walk you through and talk about the different options that are up here on the table, what's unique about DrySpec luggage, and help you decide maybe which setup is gonna be best for you. What's cool though, is that you have the D20, the 28, and the 38. The names just coincide with the amount of storage capacity in liters that these bags have. So the D20, these are sold as a set. They're 20 liters per bag, so 40 total. Obviously then 28 liters, then 38. What's cool about their bags is that they're all designed to just work with each other. So you can run the 38 with the 28, you could run the 38 with the 20, or you could run the 28 with the 20, you can run all three together at the same time. It just depends on how much storage and what type of storage you feel is going to be best for you. They're all going to come with mounting straps. And as I mentioned earlier, clean looking. I love the look of these bags. Very simple. I like that just they're fully 100% waterproof. There's no dry bags, nothing like that you have to worry about. The 38 and the 20, these come with semi-rigid walls that you install, which make the bags hold their shape really well when there's nothing inside there. So these D20s, there's nothing that I have inside these right now. That's just the rigid wall. You can see how well it holds its shape. So even if you don't have anything in there, the luggage still looks nice on your motorcycle. And it's also nice too, it just makes it a little bit easier to keep your things organized and to find those when you're digging through the bags. The 28 though, is not going to have any sort of semi-rigid construction, but I'll explain why here in just a moment. Now, durability. It's another word that I use to describe them. These are all made using an 800 denier, radio frequency welded 800 denier PU coated nylon. It's a lot to say. It's very durable fabric, 100% waterproof. I also really like too that on the top of the roll top closures, you have this 500 denier TPU coated Cordura. Again, very durable fabric, and I just love the look of having more of the gloss finish down low and then having that texture finish up on top. Just a good looking set of luggage. I said waterproof, you know, just like the name says, these are 100% waterproof, no dry bags, nothing like that that you have to worry about on the inside. I also like too that they all have an air purge valve. So once you have them loaded up, you can just open up the valve, roll them shut, and then you can also just compress the bag. You'll hear that air escaping, tighten that back up, and that will just help you compress the bags as much as possible when you have these things loaded up. Okay, so with the D28, what's unique about this is that it's a dual roll top. So roll top on each side. So when you have this on the bike, it's just gonna make it very easy to access your contents from either side of the bag. And that is why you're not gonna have any sort of rigid wall on the inside of this one, but that's pretty nice. So you can have it on the tail. You can mount this up again with a top rack. They say you don't need a top rack. It will come with mounting straps, 4 mounting straps to get this secured. But again, you just either side, open it up, grab what you need, roll it back up, you're good. It does have this daisy chain on each side, which again, that's what you're gonna use to attach this to the motorcycle. That's also where you would utilize or use this to attach it. Let's say you're rocking the D38 and you wanna attach this on top, you would use these daisy chains right here to tie these bags together. And like I said, you can use whatever combination you want with these bags. We even have on our website, we've made it easy. We already have kits put together where you just see, oh, there's the D20 with the 28, perfect, that's what I want. Or if you want all three, we already have a kit put together, you just buy it in one-stop shop. So that's your 28. For the 38, so what's cool about this bag is the mounting. On a top rack, I'd probably recommend for this bag, you have these rings down here, so 4 of them. Again, mounting straps all come included. What's cool though is that once you have this tight and secured to the bike, when it comes time to access the inside and undo it, you don't have to undo any straps or anything like that from the top. You know, there's no rock straps or things going over the top, compressing it down. You just open it up, get your items, roll it back up, and then these will just always stay mounted to the motorcycle. So just a little bit easier to access your items on the inside. The 38 also does have this zippered pocket, one on the front and the back. It's the same size on both sides, but just a little extra storage pocket right there for any quick, easy to access items that you might have. And then lastly, we get to the 20. And I'm gonna grab this one here. So this is your saddle bag. Same construction as the other two. Now, what's unique with the 20s is that they say that you don't need any sort of rack system or pannier racks to get these mounted. You can certainly use pannier racks with these, but you don't have to. Let's say you do have a set of pannier racks. You could just strap these, so there's this webbing here on the inside. You could just strap this directly to your rack, but you also have the option to drape this over the motorcycle utilizing the different strap options. And they have this traditional just nylon strap with the buckle. So you drape these over the bike and then get those to the length that they need to be. They also even just have this Velcro that just goes right through the buckle. And that is just, again, a couple different options here. With that, you just drape it over, connect it, and that's gonna hold it in place. And then up here in the front, you have this strap. Again, all these straps will come included. This is gonna go towards the front of the bike, and this is gonna be like a rackless luggage setup. If you've used one, or if you've seen one before, this would go either around, say, a passenger foot peg or the frame of the bike, and that's gonna keep it secure in the front. And then in the back, you have this strap here, which is just going to keep the two bags connected at the rear to keep them from wanting to fly out and get too floppy in the back. Whether you have pannier racks or not, especially if you're not using racks, you're gonna want a heat shield. Now, DrySpec offers a heat shield. We have other options from other companies. Look, a heat shield's a heat shield. It's just there to protect your luggage, to make sure, or do its best to make sure that your luggage doesn't get burnt. And DrySpec also does have some other cool little goodies that you could check out. They have a really cool water bottle holder, a license plate little storage thing. So they've got some great options. And again, when it comes to DrySpec, these guys do it right. Built very well, looks awesome, lots of modularity. There's this all black set on the table. They even have a green, cool green version you can choose from. So you've got several different mounting options with these. As I had mentioned, you can take these two bags. You could put the D28 right on top of these. You could put the D38 up on top of these with the 28 up on top of that. You just got a lot of different options of how you want to run this luggage depending on what your needs are. I also like too that on the 20s, you got this nice heavy duty carry handle up here on the top. DrySpec, they make really good luggage, built well, looks awesome, clean, fully waterproof. This stuff's great. If you have questions or comments about it, they'll leave those down below. We'll do our best to get those answered. To grab this, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.